Hi, welcome to this episode. Today we're going to do a Canon 7D tutorial on focusing, so let's get started. Now this camera, this 7D, if I go back to my Q menu and go to this auto select button and press this select, now this camera has got only, weirdly enough, 19 autofocus mode points, and nowadays cameras have like gazillions of focus points, and people are like, I would like my picture in focus, how do I get it in focus? And I'm like, oh my days, I get these questions. And focus, if you think about focusing, you know, when you're focusing with your eye and you like look at things, sometimes things are in focus, sometimes things aren't in focus. You can't get everything in focus. Like you can see clearly my background is out of focus and my camera is in focus. So if you click on this, this is an auto selection focus point, and this will allow you to get so if you select this one, within the frame it will automatically pick focus points and focus into those points. If I click back on here and go to the next one, so if I go to the next one, which is that one, this one allows me to toggle focus points. So say for example, if I've got a bunch of people in frame and I want to get a few people out of focus, maybe they're sort of behind or some are forward, I can actually select certain focus areas within my scene, so I can focus into certain parts of it. The next one is you know, selection point expansion, and what this one does, it allows you to select various focus points, and you can press this button and look through the viewfinder and do the same thing really, and it allows you to select certain points. So more, for example, if you want certain things in focus, you can select those and move and hover them around. Okay, so that's quite useful. Okay, if I go back to that one, select that one, and then what I'm using is this wheel here to navigate through the different selection points, and you can see the changing over here as well. So if I select this one, this is a single point focus. Now this one might be useful if you're doing portrait and you're trying to get a face. Usually you'll put it on that and focus on an eye. So I tend to like look at the face and make my focal point maybe the eye or the nose, and that gives an evaluative rounded focal area. So you know, that's a little tip. I would strongly suggest you try that, and then you'll see whether your image is in focus or not. So for example, if you're doing sort of bird's eye shots where you're doing from above and you focus and the subject's looking towards you, try to put it on single shot focus point, and then get your subject to look towards the camera and then focus on the eye, and then you'll get a nicer depth of field around the image, and have the subject of point in focus. Okay, so do I want to talk about any more? I don't know. I don't really want to talk about any more, to tell you the truth. So I've talked about focus points, talked about the Q button and some various settings within the menu. Any comments, please do post. Appreciate all the comments that people do say. Share and comment. Please comment and please like. If you think you don't like my videos, comment as well. I'm not going to take it to heart, to tell you the truth. But if you do comment about anything and any videos that you want me to make, please do post. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching.